Okay, so we've spent a lot of time talking about 2-ingredient cocktails you can do at home and maybe 3-ingredient cocktails you can do at home. There are 5 ingredients to this one, but they're not hard. You can get them. They'll be very easy. I'll keep it real easy for you. We're gonna do a strawberry mezcal kind of riff with bubbles. It'll be fun. So we've got the strawberry syrup that we made out of those strawberries we got from Lion Farms. You might have seen that episode. I'm just gonna do a half an ounce of that. And then half an ounce of Aperol, which is aperitivo, kind of in the same family as Campari, but it doesn't have, it has about half the bitterness of Campari. So it's still got a lot of sugar, but it's got a good amount of bitterness. It's not quite gonna balance this. So what we're gonna do is put a half an ounce of lime juice in there. And the fun part about this is that both our sugar and the things we're balancing the sugar with, namely acid and bitter, everything in here has some sugar, but also everything in here has some acid or something to bitter. So it's nice and complicated, but they all really like each other. Strawberries and lime really like each other. Aperol really likes strawberries. Go figure. Then we're gonna add a shot of mezcal. Mezcal, however you want to pronounce it. I won't correct you. Just put some pretty cubes here. So when I'm going to strain onto fresh ice like this, I'm only going to give it a quick 10 shake, because there's really no reason to shake the daylights out of it. When you're shaking for a long time, you're doing for a couple of reasons. A, for dilution, and B, to make sure it gets really nice and cold. But this drink is going to continue to get diluted from this ice, but it's also, we're gonna lower the ABV by topping it with some of this Lambrusco Rosé. There we go. Give that a whirl. Oh, that is delicious. Anybody you know that likes mezcal is going to love this drink. If folks think mezcal is a little too much for them, you can substitute tequila or even gin, and you're gonna come up with something that is a crowd pleaser. I'm gonna go ahead and give this guy a quick twist on top. Enjoy.